Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my channel, Explore Places with Joel. Ngayong araw guys, andito po tayo sa Beach Club sa Maylanang. Opo, tama po kayo ng pagkarinig. Dito po tayo ngayon. Sasakay po tayo ng speedboat papunta po ng Samal Island, of course. Sabi nila dito, may mga 3-minute ride lang daw po talaga galing dito papunta doon. Punta ng isla, itong nasa tanaw na natin. Yun po ang Samal Island. So ito na po yung sasakyan natin guys, papunta sa pinakapantalan nila. Ito na po guys, ito ay electric car yata ito guys. Wala talaga siyang, hindi mo talaga maririnig yung niya guys, yung andar ng makina ng sinasakyan na. Kasi wala talaga noise friendly talaga siya guys. Wala kang maririnig. Tapos nature friendly na rin. Walang usok, lahat. No guys. So, alam nyo guys na may miss ko po talaga kayo. Kaya dito pupunta tayo ngayon, tatawid tayo sa kabilang isla. At alamin natin kasi na-invite po ako na mapunta doon sa may sinasabi nilang Bridgeport. Okay, by Damosaland. Mamaya, babalikan natin. Ayan, nakasakay na po kami guys. Pasakay na po kami. So, inuulit ko guys, sabi nila nasa mga 3 minutes lang daw po galing dito papunta doon, patawid doon sa kabilang isla ng Samal. Opo guys. Tapos, ipapakita din natin sa political scientist or analyst and media personality na si Sir Richard Darian. He made a statement during an interview with CNN's Becky Anderson, who was then covering the political situation in the Philippines following Duterte's arrest under an ICC warrant. Sabi niya guys, quote-unquote, sabi niya, their base of support is in the so-called Solid South, in the Mindanao region, where there is a lot of legitimate grievances against the national government. Sabi pa niya, I come from the north of the country where our Human Development Index is almost Southern Europe. But if you go to Mindanao, their Human Development Index is Sub-Saharan African level. So, yun ang sinasabi niya guys, comparing Mindanao to the Duterte's bailiwick to Sub-Saharan Africa. Guys, di ba po guys, napakasakit naman nun. Totoo ba yun? Kaya gusto ko makita niya na kung anong kalagayan meron tayo dito. Kasi baka hindi lang niya nakita o masyado lang siyang nakafocus doon sa mga data na nababasa niya na kung tama ba yung data. So, yun nga guys, dahil doon naglipa na po yung mga nag-Facebook, nag-upload ng mga videos nila na kesyo ang Southern Europe ay nasa Northern Philippines o nasa Luzon. So, sinasabi doon na walang poverty doon, ganyan, hindi kumakain ng pagpag. Pero hindi naman nakikita sa totoong pangyayari. Marami din namang mga slums doon tulad na sinasabi ni Katrina Gray sa Tondo. Tapos may pagpag pa. Kaya kung ano-ano na mga memes na lumalabas. Kaya yung Bukidnon ay idineklara po siya na persona non grata. Sabi dito ni, sino ba ito may sabi? Sabi pa ng ni Cagayan de Oro City Councilor George Goking invited Filipino media personality Richard Foronda Hidarian to visit Mindanao and see for himself whether his statement regarding Mindanao's Human Development Index being a Sub-Saharan African level is true. So, yun. So, kaya ngayon, bibisita tayo doon sa Samal at saka pakita natin itong video ko ngayon guys na sumasakay po tayo ng speedboat, no? Papunta ng Samal na 3 minutes lang daw ito po guys. Ayan, narating na po natin ang Samal. Tapos, ito ay, tawag nito, ito ay from the Damosaland guys. Opo guys, Damosaland. Ang Bridgeport is the Mosaland's newest mixed-use development that features low-density condominium buildings, premium open lots, a condotel, commercial and dining areas, and an exclusive marina. Opo, guys. So, titingnan natin. Mamaya itutur ko kayo. Kasi ayan, paano na to tayo guys? Pa-embark na po tayo. Opo, papunta na tayo dito sa pinaka-platform ng pantalan nila. Ayan. So, ito guys, napaganda diba guys? Opo, ito daw yung marina or dito makikita yung estate view na sinasabi nila guys. Opo. Ayan. Ayan guys. Pababa na tayo. Mga kasama ko. Shout out pala kay Ma'am Marjorie Basok at saka kay Ma'am Nanette kasi sila po yung nagsama po sa akin para iikot po ako dito. Ito guys, tingnan nyo guys, napaka-green. Ayan yung clubhouse nila guys. Ayan, may pa-welcome drinks pa sila. Tubig yata ito guys. Tamang-tama, ang init-init guys. Tamang-tama, napaka-init guys. Ayan, kay Madam. Ayun. Ayan, so pakita tayo. Upo-upo muna tayo. Tapos tingnan natin guys. Ito na po yun guys. Yung map or location. Or tawag nito, pinaka, yung pag nagpipresent sila sa mga kliyente nila. Dito nila dinadala. Yun, dito. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, matatanaw mo na ang Davao City. Diba guys, napakaganda guys, tapos napakatahimik na lugar. Ayan guys. Actually, dahil condotel siya, mayroon din siyang tawag nito, condominium. Condominium. So, pinakita niya sa atin ni Ma'am Marjorie at saka ni Ma'am Nanette kung gaano talaga kaganda. Dito, mamaya papunta po tayo sa unahan. Sasakay po tayo ng yung sinasakyan din natin kanina. Ewan ko anong pangalan nun. Basta, hindi siya umaandar guys. Parang tumatakbo pero hindi mo naririnig yung andar niya guys. Sa totoo lang. Naku, napakaganda talaga balik-balikan tong lugar na to. Tapos ang hangin guys, napakahangin. Lalong magiging fully developed na ito guys pag may may tawag nito yung tulay galing ng Davao City papunta ng Samal. Actually guys, nadaan na natin kanina, naumpisahan na po na gawin. Malapit nang matapos yung tulay na kumukonekta ng Davao City to Samal Island. So, sailing to a seaside sanctuary with the Mosalands Bridgeport. Opo, guys. An effort to promote local development and continue being the region's partner on its road to recovery. Davao-based property developer the Mosaland officially launched Bridgeport on February 18, 2022. So, doon pala na-open pa, officially launched pala, guys. Tapos, the premier real estate and agro-industrial developers' newest mixed-use development is inspired by the U.S. East Coast community, featuring low-density condominium buildings, premium open lots, a condotel, a commercial area, an events place, and an exclusive marina. Yes po, guys. Showcasing one of the Mosaland's many carefully planned estates. Bridgeport is a 13-hectare low-density marina development that highlights the premium township as a unique project that will serve as the perfect secondary leisure home where families can experience the luxury and serenity of seaside life. Strategically located, guys, in Kaliklik Island Garden City of Samal, Bridgeport is only, 5 minutes, 5 minutes away from Davao City by an exclusive powerboat. Opo, pinakamatagal na po yung 5 guys kasi sabi kanina 3 minutes lang daw po talaga. Siguro pag nag-iintay-intay pa, may mga pasahero tapos ganyan, nakadock pa yung speedboat. So siguro kasali na yun sa bilang basta nasa 3 minutes to 5 minutes lang daw po talaga. Opo guys. The kick-off 2022 launch of Bridgeport exemplifies the capabilities and opportunities the Mosaland has to offer in the evolving real estate landscape. Ayan guys. Papunta na tayo doon sa taas guys. Iniikot na tayo nila guys. Sino ang mga may-ari nito guys? Nakalagay dito guys. May mga shares pala guys. Sina Ricardo F. Lagdameo, President of the Mosaland. Tapos, sino pa ba? Bridgeport does not only offer a scenic waterfront location where accomplished individuals can call their home, but also brings in investment opportunities given its strategic location and distinct lifestyle experience. So, those aspiring to live a quality life without compromising work and business can look to Bridgeport to grow their business or family. Yun. Pwede sila magpunta dito, business meetings, conferences, kung ano-ano pang mga dapat gawin nila sa negosyo nila, pwede talaga dito gawin guys. Tapos, inaasahan guys na itong condominium na ito dito banda sa may Kaliklik ay matatapos siya by the year 2028. The first tower within Bridgeport Park, guys, or Azuri, will be completed by April this year. The turnover of units on track by the second quarter. So the second tower called Sapphire is targeted for completion by the first quarter of 2026. Meanwhile, the third Royal and fourth Navy towers will be finished by early 2027. Yung sinasabi ko nina, mga 2028 respectively. So as of December 31, DLI or the Mosaland Incorporated has sold 228 out of 274 target units within Bridgeport Park. The average price of a unit, guys, baka magtanong kayo, is around 200,000 pesos per square meter tayo, guys. So main doors in all Bridgeport Park units will have a smart lock. Napaka-social guys, no? Smart lock that allows owners to enter via RFID key tag, or of course guys, pwede ka key tag or may passcode, or through their mobile app according to the company. So, road networks within Bridgeport Park have been substantially completed and all underground utilities are fully installed, the company noted. So, the construction also, guys, of its hiking path and sewage treatment plant is underway, while the clubhouse is likely to be completed by the second quarter of 2025. So itong kinatatay natin kanina na clubhouse. So mayroon pang another clubhouse talaga, guys, na matatapos by the second quarter of 2025. Also, guys, near Bridgeport Park is about 18,000 square meters of open space for road networks, parks, green spaces, and exclusive amenities. Bridgeport is also home to gated subdivision called the Harbor View Estates, a lighthouse, and a marina managed by Davao Boat and Leisure Club. So the development also features a 1,000 square meters exclusive events place called the Shipyard. At dito po nagtatapos ang aking vlog. Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Paalam!